Now, class 9 again, in the crash course of physics class. In this class, we are going to take the topic energy and the derivation of the potential energy and kinetic energy. So, the very first we will start with this topic energy. Now, just have completed this topic in your class itself. So, I would like to ask what you understand by the term energy.
So, energy is the power to do work.
The ability to do work.
Same as the ability to do work.
But if you have different answer only, then you will raise your hand. Capacity to do work. Instead of ability to do work, you have to use capacity to do work. Energy is better defined as
Capacity to do work.
capacity to do work. So there is a direct relation between energy and work. Amount of work done by a body is equal to energy possesses in it. That's why, and vice versa, and vice versa. Means इसका उल्टा भी सही है. That what amount of energy possesses in a body, that amount of energy can be transformed into a work. So that is why there is only one SI unit, same SI unit for work and for energy. Because of this relation, direct relation, the SI unit of work as well as energy, both are is equal to Joule. Okay. So if you want to calculate the amount of energy possesses in a body, or the amount of energy that is inherited in that body, can be calculated by amount of work done by that body. सबसे सिंपल है, किसी भी बॉडी में कितना एनर्जी है हम इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे कि उस बॉडी के द्वारा कितना कार्य, कितना वर्क किया गया. So the very first we take that potential energy. Potential energy comes from the term potential. Means energy possesses in a body because of change in place or position. Simple example. Suppose I'll take this. Take the example. This copy is on the table. So on the surface of the table. Now, if I raise this copy up to this height, so it has done some work because I have applied force and its position has been changed. There is only two conditions that work to be done, that applied force, and because of applied force the body must change its place or position. This book has changed its place and raised up to this height. So it has done some work. So that amount of potential energy is stored in it at this point. Now suppose I raise it to further height. This point is A, my hand is point A, and this point is B. At where the amount of work done is more? At A or at B?
At B.
B, because until B it has done some more amount of work. So here, by this experiment and following this activity, now we are going of a potential energy. For this one, you assume that let a body of mass m is at on the ground. It is raised up to height h and put it at from A to B. So it has done some work, and the amount of work done by this body in raising from A to B, that amount of work has been transformed as a
Potential.
stored energy in this body at B. So by calculating the amount of work done, we are in the conditions to calculate the formula of the potential
Energy.
You got it? Now you have to write that some statement. Let a body of mass m is at A is raised to B up to height h. Okay. Here I will write this one as r. इसको मैं r से notation दे रहा हूँ. R मतलब क्या हो गया? Amount of work done by a body is equal to energy possessed in it. तो इस रीजन को आपको यहाँ लिखना है. This reason you have to write here. Okay. Now work done is equal to force into displacement, and from the second law of motion, force is equal to m into a, and displacement is equal to s. Here a is equal to h and a is equal to g, because the body has been raised against the gravity, and s is equal to vertical height. So then you have to write here work done is equal to mg into h. अब बच्चों वो r जो मैं यहाँ बोला था ना, यहाँ मत लिखिएगा, यहाँ लिखिएगा. r मतलब क्या है? Work done by a body is equal to energy possessed in it. So now we convert W as potential energy is equal to mg h. Okay. Same principle we will apply to calculate the formula of
Kinetic
energy. Now I am coming to this now. Kinetic energy. Energy possesses in a body because of its motion, Okay. अब यहाँ assume कर लीजिए, let a body is moving with initial velocity v, and opposing force F is applied. Opposing force means brake is applied, and opposing force F is applied after covering S distance. It stops at B. अब देखिए, इसको फिगर में मैं कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ. Suppose we have a body of mass m is A, is moving with initial velocity v. Initial velocity v. अब इसमें क्या किया गया? And opposing force is applied. ब्रेक आपने लगाया उसको. So after covering S distance, it stops at B. Here it stops. Okay. Now, any girl, initial velocity is equal to, what is the value of initial velocity? I लड़की है दोनों. What is the initial velocity? What is the initial velocity? Anyone?
V square minus 2s. The initial velocity is the velocity at the time t.
What is the initial velocity in this condition?
V.
Is v. ये आँख खोलो तुम लोग. सबकी आंखें बंद है. ये बुद्धू मैंने यहाँ लिखा initial velocity is equal to v. Assume that it is moving with initial velocity v. Final velocity.
V.
Stop means. Stop means. What is the value of final velocity? Stop means
Zero.
zero. अरे रुक गया तो जीरो हो गया ना बच्चों. Acceleration is negative acceleration. Now we apply this formula. V square is equal to u square minus 2a. Why minus? Because it is retardation. Final velocity is equal to 0. Initial velocity is equal to v, and that is equal to 2as. So here minus 2as comes this side, become 2as is equal to v square. So s is equal to v square upon 2a. Okay. Now we will write this r. R stands for. Oh, what is given r? Amount of work done by a body is equal to energy possessed in it. So amount of work done by this moving body in moving from A to B is equal to amount of kinetic energy possessed in it. क्योंकि why? Because this body was in
Motion.
motion. तो motion में कौन सा एनर्जी होगा बच्चे उसमें?
Kinetic energy.
Okay. So work is equal to F into S. This work now converted as kinetic energy. F is equal to M into A into S. So यहाँ पर हम A का वैल्यू निकालेंगे. A is equal to यहाँ लिखेंगे 2S. From equation 1 replace the value of A. Replace A from equation 1. So kinetic energy is equal to M into A in the place of A, what later?
V
square upon 2S into S. SS. So kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Practice it at least 3 to 4 times. This is most important, one of the most important questions, and has a probability of 80% to come in your
Exam.
examinations. God bless you.